Hello guys, if the Mavic Mini 2 come with the ND filter, it would be a deal breaker. It means probably in the end of this year, it's probably like number one seller drone. I don't know what's going on DJI. I mean the Mavic Air 2 comes with the ND filter. I don't know why the Mavic Mini 2 it did not come with one. I mean for $600, I mean, and it be worth adding on. The same with the Osmo Pocket 2. It comes with the ND filter if you get the combo. Especially this late season, I would say. And everybody want one of these. And now the combo, just everybody's gonna like, what's going on? How come the Air 2 has the ND filter but not the Mavic Mini 2? And also the Osmo Pocket has it. So anyway, guys, this is my thought of it and what I think it could be. It could have been number one seller of late 2020 this year. But this is my thoughts and I'm just sharing it to you guys.